Today I have a Maserati and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the headlights, operate the headlights on this Maserati. I'm going to show you how to turn on the headlights. I'm going to show you how to turn on the bright headlights, okay? All the lights. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm sitting in front of the steering wheel. In order to operate the headlights on this Maserati, you'll look through the steering wheel and you'll see this lever right here. Now, on this vehicle, the headlights are on automatically. There is no manual per se function for turning the headlights on. However, you do have an option of turning on the bright headlights and turning them off, okay? So to turn on the bright headlights, if you just want to flash your bright headlights, your high beam headlights, you simply take this lever, pull it towards you, and you see that blue, it lights up, okay? That's indicative that it's on. But the thing of it is, when you pull this lever and release it, it goes back off. You see that? It went back off. Now, if I want the bright headlights to be on, I'll simply take this and I'll push it forward, okay? So now the bright headlights are on, but it is in an auto feature, and that means that the bright headlights will only turn on if it is dark enough for the bright headlights to actually turn on. It automatically detects. If you don't want it to automatically detect, just take this lever right here, pull it towards you, release it, and voila. All right, and that is how you turn on and off the headlights on this particular Maserati. If you find my video helpful, subscribe. I'll appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.